Hello everyone, welcome to Lee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a snack called Snowflake Nougat. Those are the ingredients I'm going to use today. First, 150 grams of marshmallows. I got those small marshmallows. If you have the big one, you can cut it into small size. And butter, 40 grams. Milk powder, 40 grams. Cranberry, 30 grams. And the dry fruits, 20 grams. And nuts, 70 grams. I use pistachio today. And biscuit, this is the biscuit I'm going to use today, about 120 grams. And the tools, I need a rubber spatula and a scraper and some parchment paper and cooking gloves. Let's get started. We need a non-stick fry pan and then turn on the heat to low. First put the butter and let the butter melt. Till the butter melted, put the marshmallow. Keep stir. And coat the marshmallow with the butter. In the meantime, we can mix all the other ingredients. And in the meantime, we put all the dry ingredients together and mix them. Keep stirring, the marshmallow is melting until you barely can see any marshmallow. Now we can put the milk powder. Mix the milk powder. Now it should be get ready to put the gloves on. The milk powder is melted. Now put all the dry ingredients in and quickly mix them. And this time we can turn off the heat. I'm going to dust the parchment paper with some milk powder. I don't think I'm going to use the whole pan, so I just dusted on one side. Once they all mixed well, now we're going to transfer it into the baking pan. It's still very hot. Push it to the side. I'm going to dust the top with some milk powder as well. And push to a right angle shape when it's still soft. It can be a little lower than the fry pan. Just has to do it when it's warm, so you can shape it. And leave it, let it cool down. The nougat already cooled down. I'm going to cut into small pieces, each of them about 2 centimeters. Look at the inside. It has dry strawberry and the nuts and also the biscuit. If you like more milk flavor, you can put on the side more milk powder. going to put it in some individual pack and give it to as a little gift. Thank you for watching. See you next time.